Are you looking for fun, free, and educational games for your kids? Games that boost learning while making screen time meaningful? Well, today I'm going to show you a website that offers just that, and it's 100% free. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a parent, teacher, or just someone looking for smart ways to help kids learn, this video is for you. We're exploring free AI tools for kids, safe educational games and apps for ages 3 to 12, all available at freetoolsayub.com kids. Let's go through what makes this site special. Art games for creativity, language learning tools, math games for logic building, brain puzzles for problem solving, vocabulary builders, fun music-based learning games. And the best part? You don't need to sign up, download anything, or spend a single dollar. Everything is free and browser-friendly, ideal for home or school. It's ad-safe and kid-friendly. Want your kids to learn and have fun at the same time? Go to https://freetoolsayub.com/kids. All tools are carefully selected and completely free to use. Don't forget to bookmark it. Like this video, share with parents and teachers, and subscribe for more tech tools and learning resources.